So some of you asked about my hunting story. So here goes. Now as a teacher, one of my favorite things about teaching, of course, is summers off. In my youth, many, many moons ago, I used to travel. And so one summer I was in Peru. And when I go places, I like to do things that you can only do in that spot. You know, when in Rome, do as the Romans do, right? So I asked the tour guide, what's something you can only do in Peru? Like what's something that South America, this is a big deal here. He goes, well, do you hunt? I said, no, not really, I don't like killing things. But he said, no. This is something that you can only do here, you gotta try it. So I was like, all right, I guess I'm in, whatever, I'm young, I'll do it. So I go, what do you guys hunt? And he goes, well, we hunt monkeys. And I was like, I don't know, those are primates, those are a little close to humans, I don't know if I wanna do this. He goes, no. It's, the exciting part is that the monkeys are extremely smart. Like they sit in the trees and you can't sneak up on them. There's no way, they have very acute senses. And so here you are, you're in the bush with your gun, and they will see you in the bush. So as soon as you fire the bullet, the monkey actually drops from the tree. It's like a defense mechanism. So you actually have to hit them as they're falling. I was like, all right, I guess, whatever, when in Rome, right? So here I am in the bush. I did not hit a single monkey as I was there the whole time. And I couldn't figure out, why did I keep missing these monkeys? So when I got back, I built a simulation. So here's the setup. I got myself an airsoft gun right here. It's kind of I'm gonna blow air with this compressor through here. Now behind me, you'll see that there's a monkey. He's way back here. He's actually hooked up through a circuit with an electromagnet. So that runs here to a power supply, which goes all the way up there to the monkey. Now on the edge of this gun, there's a tiny little flap. And that little flap, as soon as I hit it, the monkey falls. So as the bullet comes through here, it's gonna hit this little flap, drops the monkey, which means the bullet's gonna have to fly through the air and hit the monkey as it's falling in the air. This is a really hard thing to do. I couldn't do it in Peru. So my question to you is, where should I aim?